Indoor tropical plants bring lush greenery, vibrant colors, and a refreshing ambience to any living space. They not only enhance decor but also help purify the air and create a calming environment. Perfect for homes and offices, these plants thrive with minimal care when given the right conditions, making them ideal for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Let's explore the best tropical plants to grow indoors. Prayer plant Marantha is a striking tropical houseplant admired for its beautifully patterned leaves that fold upward at night, resembling hands in prayer. Its foliage displays rich green tones with contrasting veins and soft undersides, adding visual interest to interiors. This compact plant thrives in indirect light, warm temperatures, and high humidity, making it perfect for indoor spaces. It prefers consistently moist soil without waterlogging. Ideal for tabletops or shelves, it brings a gentle, calming presence while showcasing nature's unique daily movement within the home environment. It is also pet-friendly and easy to propagate through stem cuttings successfully. Elephant ear plant Alocasia amazonica stands out as a bold and artistic indoor tropical, admired for its sculptural foliage and striking vein patterns. The dark, glossy leaves with sharp contrasts give it a modern, almost dramatic appeal. It flourishes in warm, humid environments with bright but filtered light. Regular moisture is important, though excess water should be avoided. This plant can be slightly sensitive to changes, yet with proper care, it becomes a stunning focal point. Perfect for adding a luxurious, jungle-inspired touch, it brings depth, texture, and character to any indoor setting effortlessly. Anthurium andrinum is often called the flamingo flower for its bold, glossy spathes that look almost like polished artwork rather than real blooms. Its vibrant colors stand out beautifully against deep green foliage, making it a natural centerpiece indoors. Unlike many tropical plants, it flowers repeatedly when conditions are right. It enjoys airy soil, gentle watering, and filtered light to maintain its shine and color. With a slightly exotic personality and long-lasting blooms, this plant adds a touch of luxury and sophistication, turning even a simple indoor space into something visually captivating. Swiss cheese plant Monstera deliciosa is famous for its uniquely split and perforated leaves that develop as the plant matures, giving it a bold, tropical identity. Its sprawling growth habit and large foliage create a relaxed, jungle-like atmosphere indoors. This plant adapts well to typical home conditions, preferring bright, indirect light and occasional watering when the soil begins to dry. With support, it can climb and grow impressively over time. Its ever-changing leaf patterns make it visually dynamic, turning it into a living piece of decor that evolves and becomes more striking as it grows. Caladium bicolor is admired for its delicate, paper-thin leaves splashed with vibrant hues of pink, red, white, and green, creating a soft yet eye-catching display. Unlike bold tropicals, it brings a lighter, more artistic feel to indoor spaces. Its heart-shaped foliage looks almost hand-painted, adding elegance and charm. This plant prefers warm conditions, gentle light, and consistently moist soil to maintain its beauty. Though it may go dormant seasonally, its striking colors during active growth make it a standout choice for adding a fresh, decorative touch to shelves, corners, or tabletops indoors. Croton Codium variegatum feels less like a plant and more like a burst of living color, with each leaf painted in unpredictable streaks and splashes. No two leaves look exactly alike, giving it a constantly changing visual appeal. It reacts strongly to its surroundings, brighter light deepens its colors, while shifts in placement can affect its mood. Rather than blending in, it demands attention and becomes a conversation piece. With its bold personality and artistic foliage, croton brings energy and vibrancy indoors, transforming quiet corners into lively, tropical-inspired spaces full of character. Heartleaf Philodendron. Philodendron hedraceum is a graceful trailing plant that brings a sense of softness and movement to indoor spaces. Its smooth, heart-shaped leaves cascade gently from shelves or hanging baskets, creating a relaxed, natural flow. Known for its easygoing nature, it adapts well to varying light conditions and occasional neglect. The vines can be trained, trimmed, or left to wander freely, making it versatile for styling. With its understated beauty and effortless growth, this plant adds a calm, inviting touch, perfect for creating a cozy and lived-in atmosphere at home. Dumb cane, Dieffenbachia segae, is a bold, upright plant known for its broad leaves marked with creamy patterns that almost look brushed on. Its sturdy stems and full foliage give it a structured, architectural presence indoors. Often used to fill empty corners, it adds height and substance without feeling heavy. It responds well to steady warmth and filtered light, rewarding consistency with lush growth. While visually soft, it carries a strong personality, making it a reliable choice for creating a balanced indoor display that feels both vibrant and composed. Bird's nest fern, Asplenium nidus, brings a gentle, sculptural elegance with its broad, wavy fronds that unfurl from a central rosette, resembling a natural nest. The smooth, bright green leaves have a soft sheen and a graceful arch, creating a calm, flowing presence indoors. Unlike more dramatic tropicals, it offers a soothing, minimalist appeal. It enjoys humid surroundings and indirect light, thriving in cozy corners like bathrooms or shaded rooms. With its simple yet distinctive form, this fern adds a touch of freshness and quiet sophistication to any indoor setting. Bird of Paradise, Strelitzia reginae, carries a bold, architectural presence with its large, paddle-shaped leaves that fan out like a natural sculpture. Indoors, it brings a sense of openness and tropical grandeur, even without its famous flowers. The upright growth adds height and structure, making it ideal for spacious corners or statement spots. It responds well to bright light and steady care, gradually developing into an impressive feature plant. With its clean lines and confident form, it creates a striking visual impact, giving interiors a refined yet exotic atmosphere. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema commutatum, is a quietly elegant houseplant valued for its patterned leaves that blend shades of green, silver, and sometimes hints of pink. It has a calm, composed presence that fits effortlessly into almost any interior style. Known for its resilience, it tolerates low light and irregular care better than many tropical plants. Its compact, bushy growth makes it ideal for desks, shelves, or shaded corners. With its understated beauty and dependable nature, Aglaonema offers a perfect balance of style and simplicity, bringing subtle charm and greenery without demanding much attention.